Back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how you can enable dark mode on Chrome OS. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So currently, if you open your Chrome OS, you can see that you have a white and brighter screen. That is because light mode is enabled on your device. So if you want to change this Chrome OS into a dark theme, then all you gotta do is simply enable the dark mode from the help of quick settings. Simply click the time in the bottom of the right corner or simply drop down the quick settings bar, and here you can see a moon-like icon. This is a crescent moon shaped icon. Simply tap on it and tap on cancel. So once you tap on it, then you can simply see that your Chrome OS has now turned into dark mode. So this is how you can simply enable dark mode on Chrome OS. I hope you found this video helpful. So don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for our next video.